Sige na, baka naninood na na si Ili. Mute na lang nato ni ay. All the while you hear it spoken me. Your love is way too much to give us lesser things. Strangers, what if your healing comes soon? What if a thousand sleepless nights are what it takes to know you're me? Piyong-piyong, piyong-piyong, day. I don't want you to trust all this life. Are your mercies in disguise? Uday. We pray for wisdom, your voice to hear, and crying anger when we cannot feel you near. Without your goodness, without your love, as if every promise from your word is not enough. And all the while you hear each desperate plea, and although we have faith to believe, 'cause what if your blessing comes through trust? What if your healing comes through tears? What if a thousand sleepless nights are what it takes to know you're me? And what if trust? Prayer position na. Are your mercies in disguise? When friends betray us, when darkness seems to win, we know that there reminds us heart. This is not our home. Naka-realize ko, mo niyang gi-consult ka itong taga-barubok at ito nakadaog na. No? Itong nabi daw bata. Na pwede na gidi si Ili sunod. So what if your blessing comes through trust? What if your healing comes through tears? What if a thousand sleepless nights? So what it takes to know you're near. This day is a Taka. Prayer position na, prayer position. Waday. Sundog na ka ate, lugot ate. Lugaya po siya magkaluhod. Lugot ate, close your eyes. Wait. Baw ate, baw. Lugot ate. Baw. Baw gani no, sige.